What's up guys, this is Katie Cloudy and these are the Shorts X buds from a company called Noise. You might have heard them previously from their other truly wireless earbuds, and these specific earbuds go on sale for about 4,000 rupees or maybe a little less than that depending on where you buy it from, and these stack up as a good competition to the Realme Buds Air. Now if you're watching this video, chances are good that you're getting yourself a new pair of wireless earbuds, and from the first looks, if you have seen the ads or the marketing of this product, these look pretty flashy and pretty clean and pretty stylish, and that's what it's all about basically. Firstly, let's just start off with the sound, and these sound pretty good. I would like to point out that these sound a tad mushier than neckbands of its class like Sony WIC200s or Realme Buds Wireless, and there's like less detail to the sound. But if you're not scrutinizing hard enough, these will just sound normal. These won't blow your mind, but also won't disappoint you. The seal is pretty good depending upon which ear tip you go for, and I'll come to that in a bit. And the sound signature is also modest, just enough bass, good enough highs, and the mids are slightly on the higher side. And coming to the mic quality, which is pretty important, well, it actually depends upon how you place the earbuds on your ear. Like if it's too pushed in against your cheek, the mic gets blocked. So if you kind of place it like this, pointing downwards when you're in calls, only then you're gonna get some pretty good quality audio coming from that mic, and calls are gonna be really good according to the people I've talked to. Now let's talk about build and comfort. Now from the looks of it, it's pretty obvious that they're kind of emulating the AirPods with the case and everything, which is fine as long as it doesn't look like a total rip-off like the Realme Buds Air. But personally, I'm of the opinion that these look pretty elegant and so much better than other wireless earbuds, which are huge and basically look like high-tech hearing aids. The matte black looks awesome, and there's a good balance between looking like an AirPods clone but also feeling like a premium product. But what does not feel premium is the case. It's fine when you hold it and everything, but when you open it, kind of feels flimsy and feels like it's gonna be torn apart, and it kind of feels cheap. But that's maybe just my unit. Yours might be fine, but yeah, worth mentioning. Now another underrated point worth mentioning is that these come with a rubber shaped bulbous ear tip, which is a good fit for most people, and there are 3 sizes of ear tips included for different sizes, and the medium one fits for me. And it could take a while for you and your ears to get adjusted because of the very different shape these come in, like a rounded rectangular shape, which is pretty weird. It doesn't form a perfect snug fit right away, but once you keep wearing them, they get a lot better and comfy. But yeah, design wise, I pretty much love it, and this is gotta be its unique selling point, and I gotta say this pretty much looks best out of the swarm of the truly wireless earbuds which we get on the market. Battery life has also been pretty good. On a single charge, you can easily watch a movie or watch a couple episodes on a flight or your commute, and with the case, the battery will last 3-4 days, about 15-16 hours. So that's great. And if you're a lightweight user with just half an hour of music listening a day, you'll easily make it through the week. So yeah, coming from other neckbands which have really good battery life, this did not disappoint me at all, so which was pretty good. It charges via micro USB, which is kind of a bummer for me. Could be for you, but most people don't care anyway. But this really should have been USB Type-C, but not a deal breaker. And so far we have covered the basics, and now purely as a pair of headphones, these are pretty good. Now let's talk about the nuances which go into making this product a truly wireless experience. It just connects via standard Bluetooth 4.0, no fancy tap to pair, but even that is instant basically. So you open the case, put them on, and boom, you're already connected if Bluetooth is already on your phone. Then there is also inline touch controls, which I never use, but like double tap to pause, single tap for volume controls, tap and hold for Google Assistant, which I always accidentally trigger while adjusting the fit, and I hate that. And whenever I use inline controls, they don't really seem to work, and I might just look like an idiot for poking my finger into my ear too much. I just wish I could turn these off. So yeah, my overall verdict is that these sound pretty good and stylish. The inline controls are my only complaints with this, but overall this is a pretty solid product. Now, the elephant in the room, are these better than the Realme Buds Wireless? I guess not. Well, The Realme ones offer much more in the same price, like wireless charging, USB Type C, and overall feels like a much promising product than this. But I can't really say for sure if the sound is better because I haven't listened to a pair of Realmes. But honestly speaking, 4,000 rupees is a little too much for a product like this, which is made of cheap plastic and doesn't do a whole lot except for playing audio. Well, maybe unless it's sold for like under 3.5k or something, you probably shouldn't buy it. But if you love the design so much, the teal or the orange color, maybe you should consider it. But my tip would be that buy it only if it gets a massive price cut or a discount. So yeah, but that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Do like this video and subscribe for more, and also follow me on Instagram, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.